Example 2 says we should graph the inequality y is greater than minus 4x plus 2. So what we are going to do is we are going to first of all sketch the graph of y is equal to minus 4x plus 2. So if you have the graph y is greater than minus 4x plus 2, for us to get the y and x intercept, we are going to find the graph of y is equal to minus 4x plus 2. So when y is equal to 0, 0 is now said to be equal to minus 4x plus 2. What I'm trying to do now is to get the value of x, which refers to as the x-intercept, when y is equal to 0. So you have it as minus 4x, plus 4x is equal to 2. And when you divide both sides by 4, you have x to be equal to 2 over 4, which is equal to 1 over 2, or 0.5. So this is said to be 0.5, comma 0. This is the x value and this is the y value. That is, when y is equal to 0, x is said to be 0.5. Also, we shall look for the value of y when x is equal to 0. So when x is equal to 0, you substitute it into this equation. You have y to be equal to minus 4 times 0 plus 2. It therefore means that y is equal to 2 when x is 0. So representing it in set notation, you have 0, comma 2. Now, this 2 gives us the intercept of the graph of y is equals to minus 4x plus 2. So sketching this, I have something like this. This is y and this is x. So on the x-axis, this is 0.5, comma 0, and this should be somewhere here if this point is said to be 0.5, and y is 2 when x is 0. So x is 0 on this line, while y is said to be 2. So this is going to be something like this. Okay, since this is a sketch. So now this line is said to be the graph of y is equal to minus 4x plus 2. But the inequality is y is greater than minus 4x plus 2, which is a strict inequality. So we shall have it a dashed line. So I'm going to erase part of it to indicate that is a broken line. Okay, so you have something like this. So this is 0.5. All right, so we have region 1 and region 2. Which of these two regions satisfies the inequality? Just like I said, we'll pick the origin. I always prefer to use the origin because it is one point that you can always determine if it is on region 1 or region 2. So we shall use the coordinate of this region to determine if region 1 satisfies the inequality, otherwise we said it's region 2. So with coordinates 0, 0, let's test. Is 0 greater than minus 4 times 0 plus 2? Is 0 greater than plus 2? No. So it therefore means that this is not the region, rather region 2 is the solution of the inequality. So this region is said to be the required region. So this is how you shade it. So therefore, region 2 is the required solution of the inequality y is greater than minus 4x plus 2. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so, and also follow me on Facebook and on TikTok at my lesson teacher Matt. Turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand, while I recommend you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from my daily classes. So, having done linear inequality in two variables, let us also look at linear quadratic inequality in two variables.